You can change life with one decision. You can change future with one decision. My channel means for learn speak English. That's why I will talk English. But you will meet every day different topic because you can learn easily and me too. So hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I am also great. वेलकम टू आवर चैनल अगेन कौन बनेगा इंग्लिश का सिकंदर. So guys, I want to say you, if your decision good, your life will be good. If your decision bad, your future will be bad. That's why I want to explain you. I want to say you can change, you can change life with one decision. You can change life, you can change future with one decision. So guys, I want to say you, first of all, my YouTube channel means how can learn speak English. So I want to say you how can learn speak English. So you should think always, you should think always how grow my brain. You should think always how grow my English knowledge. You should think always how can talk fluency, how can talk spontaneously, how can talk easily. So guys, I want to give you one idea. I want to explain you English can learn like that. Best way to understand speak English. Best way. I am telling you, listen my point carefully, but you have to watch my video till and till the end. Yes, you have to watch my video till the end. So guys, best way. I am telling you best way to understand speak English. Your brain live ready to understand everything anytime. Your brain live ready to understand anytime, always. But your tongue don't ready to anytime. But your mouth don't ready. Your mouth don't heavy. Don't open. Your mouth don't open anytime. So I want to say you, your brain and your mouth like a cricketer. I want to explain. I want to explain. Listen my point, everything carefully. Suppose that your mouth is batsman. Suppose that your brain is fielder. Your brain ready anytime for catch. But first of all, uh, batsman will do hit. Batsman should be hit first of all. Then brain work began. Without hit, fielder how can work? So after hit, brain work began. So guys, I want to say you, suppose that you will be hit, there your mind will be catch everything. But first of all, you have to open mouth, you have to talk, you have to conversation, you have to speak English. then your mind will be catch automatically everything, but your mouth will be silent. Filter automatically you can see silent. So your mouth is big word. Your mouth like a batsman. Suppose that front of anyone, front of you, you have to ask first of all, what is your name? Suppose that front of man he will tell, my name is Ram. After that, your brain will be catch, he is Ram. After that, your mouth will tell you, what do you do? What your profession? Ram will tell, my profession, I am businessman. Your brain will be catch, he is businessman. After 1 year, after 2 years, if you will meet same person, your brain will tell, he is Ram, he is businessman. But first of all, you have to speak. After that, your brain will be catch everything. Maybe you understand everything, my point. So both are important, batsman and fielder. Okay, then uh, you can see play is very good. Okay, so mouth and brain both are important, guys. So guys, I want to say you, if you want to learn speak English, you can take decision wisely. Okay, every decision can change your life. Okay, so I want to say you, if you are free, if you haven't time, you can get time only 1 hour. You can spend time with me every day 1 hour. If you spend time, if you watch my video, you will be able to talk. Suppose that you know English, you know English, you can get a lot of opportunity. Okay, suppose that you don't know English, if you get chance to go abroad, so guys, you can't go there. So that's why English is must important nowadays. You have mobile, you can watch video, you can talk each other. So nowadays you can't say, I have an environment. It is not good. You have environment, you have ability, you can create environment. I, I haven't time, sir. I live quite busy. I am businessman. I have factory too. But I am very curious to learn speak English. That's why I spend time every day, uh, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, depend on my time. I speak every day. I talk every day with other. I don't talk alone. I, I I upload one video. I made one video. I make one video, solo video. But I talk every day by phone. Okay. I write 15 minutes. I read 50 minutes. You have to read 15 minutes. You have to write 50 minutes. You have to talk 50 minutes. You have to watch 50 minutes every day. You have to spend 1 hour. Then you can learn easily. If you don't have time, you should watch my video while working. If you watch my video, if you listen carefully, you will be able to talk after 6 months. But you have to give minimum 6 months. After 6 months, you can see, you can judge self. You will meet lot of difference after 6 months. After 6 months, you will be able to talk. Your knowledge will be increased day by day, day by day. So guys, I want to say you, I want to give advice you, English is much important nowadays. If you go doctor, hospital, if you go inside hospital, doctor will talk together, nurse and other doctor, junior doctor, they talk together in English. If you know English, you will be able to understand. But if you don't know, you have to stood one side. So guys, if you get X-ray paper, blood paper, blood test paper, everything you can see in English. That's why I want to give suggestion. You should learn speak English because English is much important. No need to go abroad. You are living India. After that, you should learn English. English is much important. You can get opportunity. If you know English, you can get opportunity. If you don't know English, you would have opportunity, but you can't take profit because you are not able to talk in English. That's why if you are able to talk in English, you can get opportunity. You can get at that opportunity benefit. But if you don't know English, you can't get you can't get benefit at that type opportunity. So guys, I don't money. y- Only I want 1 hour. 1 hour. If you give 1 hour, 100%, you can learn with me English fluency. You can talk one day fluency. You can become one day fluency speaker. But you have to give only 1 hour every day. If I make mistake, you can correct. If you make mistake, I will be correct. So guys, I can learn together with you. So no need to shame, no need to frustrate, no need to regret, no need to think to other criticism. If you does any person criticism you, no need to worry there. You are good way. Your path is very good. So there is no time to learn. You are 50, you are 40, you are 30, you are 60. You can learn always. There is no time to learn. There is no time to limit to learn. There is no time to limit to learn. You can learn always. You can learn to mother lab to graveyard till. You आप माँ के गोद से कब्र तक you can learn. So no need to worry. If you never does criticize, if your brother does criticize, if your friend does criticize, no need to worry. You should not worry. It's happened. It is world. Nothing is free. Nothing get free. You have to pay cost. If you want to learn, if you want to learn English, you have to pay. You have to give time. Then you can learn. You have to practice. You have to do hard work. Then you can learn. So guys, no need to afraid to other criticism. Listen my point. If you are 60, if you are 70, if you are 50, no need to afraid to other criticism. You should learn. You should learn because it is skill. You can get new skill. Age is doesn't matter. So thank you guys. I want to go. I want to say you again. Please don't forget me. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much. I will meet tomorrow. Thank you.